I don't know if I like how I look or I don't. Hello! Hello everybody and welcome to another video. We're back in the kitchen, as always. When am I ever not in the kitchen? I've been in Instagram a lot. Who hasn't? To be honest, like literally who hasn't? I've seen so many posts of the cookie cups, glasses that you can make out of cookie. We're gonna make that. Don't know how, but we're gonna make that. I haven't seen the recipes in there because I want to create my own. That's it. We're gonna create a cookie glass. Surely those recipes have a lot of sugar and have a lot of like stuff that I don't eat. It's better to create your own always anyway. I'm thinking because I'm gonna use oats, maybe it's gonna be like a flat jack consistency, like not flat jack consistency, but like an oat cookie glass. In my head it makes sense, in here probably not, but you'll see what I mean when it's done. So just come fly with me, let's fly away. I'll put you in the stand and we'll do this. I think this looks quite cute. Just a tiny bit. Oh well, who cares? As you can tell, also, again, I'm not wearing makeup because I'm in the house. Why do I need to? I don't need to use makeup. We're off to a great start. I can't find the bowl. A bowl. Still couldn't, so I'm gonna mix it here, which probably is not the best, and it's gonna look really weird. But I don't know where all the bowls went. Literally, where did they go? So you need yogurt, somewhere to mix, but I can't find a bowl, so I'm gonna mix there. I know, it's weird. Muesli, because I'm gonna use muesli instead of oats. Milk, well, muesli is oats. I always use almond milk because I prefer it. And some sort of flour that, let me get, boom. In this case, I'm gonna use chickpea flour. Oh, and obviously, one of these, we need to push it onto the little cups to create the cups. I'm using the frontal camera today so I can see how I look, but I think it's not a good idea because I don't like how I look. Life is a bowl full of cherries. Take the scale. I want to do this quickly because I always edit this and you only see 10 minutes or 13 minutes, but they are actually really long.
It takes ages to edit.
100 grams of flour, 60 grams of flour, 40 grams of muesli. I already started making a mess. I should have my hair up. Why don't I have my hair up? I just remember in first year my teacher made a suggestion to one of my classmates to make a scene with me because he needed to use more his hands or like his body to express, and apparently I do that a lot. I didn't notice until now that I'm really conscious of it because I see me when I edit and I move them a lot. They are like, what was I doing? So yeah, we have the muesli, the flour. I'm gonna put also baking powder or baking soda because that makes it flat. Boom. And a pinch of salt. Where's the salt? Salt. Boom. We also need vanilla and I forgot the sugar-free syrup, and also cinnamon, because when do I ever not add cinnamon? Cinnamon and vanilla are like married. They go together in everything. They're bases, literally bases of everything. How much syrup do you ask? Well, start with 20 milliliters. Oh, I should mix the dry ingredients fast. 20 milliliters of milk. I'm gonna make... I was gonna say that I wasn't gonna make it vegan, but I don't know if Ari has her yogurt here. Does she? She does have a little bit of yogurt, so vegan. So I'm gonna make them vegan. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna make them vegan. 15 milliliters. Yogurt is in milliliters. I left it on milliliters, the scale, so milliliters of yogurt. They do put in milliliters like in the back of yogurts as well. They put like grams and milliliters. Vanilla. Now we have to grease the thingies. That's a little, it's a really little, it's not a lot of butter. So I don't think that many will come out of this. So I'm just gonna grease like 6, but I don't think that even 6 will come. I don't know, because these are big and there's a lot of butter. I just don't know if it should be more like doughy or just like, this is thick. Focus. Like you can see that this is thick, but is it enough? Just a tiny bit more flour. Tiny little. 10 grams more flour. 10 grams. There she goes. There she goes again. So you take up again the hands. Take a little and you push it onto the thingy and try to cover it all and try to make a shape of a glass, of a cup. Yes, a cup, not a glass, a cup. A glass is made out of glass. The good thing about the muesli is that it's also gonna add texture, I think. I think this one is gonna be the last one because I don't have more butter. Only 4 came out of there. This is how they look before baking. And now we're gonna bake them for 12 minutes at 175. They're done! They look so cool! But I have to obviously let them rest for a bit before taking them out. Obviously, they're not like smooth, they're gonna be like crusty, but I think that just makes them look cooler. I'm scared of breaking the didn't break. That's so cool. Look, they're like cups. They are like cups. They're weird cups, but they are like cups. Don't know what I'm gonna put inside yet, but yeah. Without something inside, and then we'll put something inside. Right, so I just put here a little bit of this custard powder with milk, salt, just a tiny little bit of salt, sugar-free syrup, vanilla. Because this thing like is super powerful and like for this amount of liquid, it will go almost solid. I'll add the cheese, and I think that will make it like kind of like stable, solid enough to put in there. And then leave in the fridge and it'll be like a tart. You see what I mean? Like really. And this is before refrigerating. I'm adding the cheese, so it'll go solid. So you put the cheese and I'm using that feta cheese, and then you mash it in. Maybe mash the cheese first or use cream cheese, because I cannot for the life of me make it incorporate. Right, so it's been a couple of hours and the custard are already set, which is good. The cheese custard cheese, whatever. And in the other two, I put in one ice cream, and in the other one, pumpkin vegan fluff. I know it sounds weird, but it's good. Like, I like it. It's just like vegan protein that this one happens to be pumpkin spice flavored, mixed with raisins, because I put raisins on everything, and sugar-free syrup, because I put sugar-free syrup on everything. A little bit of salt. Well, whatever. Just look at it. Ta-da! Tell me that doesn't look good. To be fair, the protein fluff actually looks like ice cream as well, which is kind of funny. But yeah, this is the ice cream. It's cookie dough ice cream. Cookie and what is it? Cookie dough and brownie vegan ice cream. This is the protein fluff, and these ones are the, forgot the name. Custard cheese custard, whatever. Obviously, we have to test it. Hold on. Can you even see that?